नमस्कार, मैं संजना आहूजा स्वागत करती हूँ आपका चैनल हिंदी लर्निंग पर। आइए मिलकर सीखते हैं भारत की सबसे प्राचीन भाषा हिंदी को। वेलकम बैक टू द थर्ड लेसन ऑफ हिंदी वॉवल साइन विच यू कैन कॉल इन हिंदी स्वर की मात्राएं। To understand the sign of vowels, first we have to learn vowels and their pronunciation, which we have covered in lesson 1. I will leave the link in description box below if you haven't seen yet. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button to watch more videos to learn Hindi. Before starting the lesson, I would like to brief basic information about vowel sign. One thing we need to remember that all the consonants are dependent characters and all the vowels are independent characters. Now you can see on the screen ka, which is consonant, and a is a vowel. When consonant is written without a vowel, it considered as a half word. Now one question will arise in your mind that how you will identify the half word. Well, when consonant takes the diacritic mark, right slanting stroke, which you can call in Hindi halant. When matra joins with any letter of consonant, it gives a sound to the letter ka plus sign of a, which gives the sound of ka. In English, it's ka, ka. If you pronounce without sign of a, it's ka, ka. Let's see example of a sign. Calm in English, K-A-A-M, calm. If any sign connects with any consonant at any place, it gives the sound of it. Like tala, tala. In English, T-A-L-A, tala. Now, let's start with the first sign of Hindi vowel. Our first letter is A that doesn't have any sign because it's fully independent character. Let's see an example. Ka plus A, Ka, which is consonant, and A is a vowel, but A doesn't have any sign. Ka plus A is equal to Ka. In English, it's K-A, ka. As a word, we pronounce as come. In English, it's K-A-M, come. Next, kar. In English, it's K-A-R, kar. Well, our next sound is a with the sign of a ki matra. Ka plus a. It gives a sound of ka. In English, it's K-A-A, ka. As a word we pronounce as calm. In English, it's K-A-A-M, calm. Next is call. In English, it's C-A-L-L, call. Next sound is E with the sign of short E ki matra. Ka plus E. It gives a sound of ki. In English, it's K-I, ki. As a word, we pronounce as Kiran. In English, it's K-I-R-A-N, Kiran. Next is in. In English, it's I-double-N, in. Next sound is long E with the sign of E ki matra. Ka plus E. It gives a sound of ki. In English, it's K-double-E, ki. As a word we pronounce as कीमत. In English, it's K-double-E-M-A-T, कीमत. Next, legal. In English, it's L-E-G-A-L, legal. Next sound is short U with the sign of U ki matra. Pa plus U. It gives a sound of poo. In English, it's P-U, poo. As a word we pronounce as book. In English, it's B-double-O-K, book. Next is good. In English, it's G-double-O-D, Good. Another sound is long oo with the sign of long oo ki matra b plus oo. It gives a sound of boo. In English, it's b double o, boo. As a word we pronounce as noon. In English, it's n double o n, noon. Next, moon. In English, it's m double o n, moon. Next letter sound is re with the sign of re ki matra. For example, k plus re, it gives a sound of kri. In English, it's kri, kri. As a word we pronounce as krishi. In English, it's krishi, krishi. Next, kripan. In English, it's kripan, kripan. Next letter is a with the sign of a ki matra. For example, v plus a, it gives a sound of ve. In English, it's ve, ve. As a word we pronounce as ve. In English, it's way, way. Next, cake. In English, it's cake, cake. Now, another one is long a with the sign of a ki matra. See the example, ka plus a, it gives a sound of ka. In English, it's kai, ka. As a word we pronounce as mad. In English, maid, mad. Next, cash. In English, it's cash, cash. The next sound is o with the sign of o ki matra. For example, h plus o, it gives a sound of ho. In English, it's ho, ho. As a word we pronounce as so. In English, so, so. Next, hope. In English, hope, hope. Well, next sound is o with the sign of o ki matra. See, ka plus o, it gives a sound of ko. In English, it's kau, ko. As a word we pronounce as aurat. In English, aurat, aurat. Next, daulat. In English, daulat, daulat. Next sound is an with the sign of an ki matra. See, ka plus an, it gives the sound of kan. In English, it's kan, kan. As a word we pronounce as angur. In English, it's angur, angur. Next, chand. In English, chandand, chand. And the last one is aha with the sign of aha ki matra. For example, na plus aha, it gives a sound of naha. In English, it's nah, naha. As a word we pronounce as namha, namha. In English, it's namah, namha. Next, pratah. In English, it's pratah, pratah. So this is all about vowel of sign. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and share this video. If you have any suggestion, please write me a comment below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video about Hindi language. Thank you for watching.